Today in this section, trigonometry, last exercise 11.4. Today I will explain. Please observe it. In this exercise solving before, you concentrate trigonometric identities. What are the trigonometric identities? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. These three are needed for this exercise. Now, you see the first problem. 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. Any trigonometric problem given, first you change into the sin and cos, then problem solving very easy. Now, tan theta, sin theta by cos theta, secant theta 1 by cos theta, 1 plus cot theta, cos theta by sin theta, cosecant theta means 1 by sin theta. Now, this one take LCM, cos theta, upper cos theta plus sin theta plus 1. Same manner here also LCM sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Here you observe it, cos theta plus sin theta plus cos theta. If you treat as A, this one treat as B. In the same manner, this is A, this will be B. If you look like, it is in the form of A plus B into A minus B. That meaning A square minus B square. A plus B into A minus B equal to A square minus A square minus B square. That meaning cos theta plus sin theta whole square minus 1 square by sin theta into cos theta. Again, it is in the form of A plus B whole square. Everybody knows A plus B whole square means A square. That meaning cos square theta plus B square sin square theta plus 2AB, 2 cos theta sin theta minus 1 square means 1 by sin theta into cos theta. That equal to, from the trigonometric identities, sin square theta plus cos square theta value equal to 1. That meaning, in the place of cos square theta plus sin square theta, 1 plus 2 cos theta sin theta minus 1 by sin theta into cos theta. 1 get cancelled. That equal to 2 cos theta sin theta by sin theta cos theta. Both will be cancelled. Cos theta sin theta sin theta. That answer will be 2. So, first problem answer is 2. At the same manner, second problem. Sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. Here, two methods will be there. A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square. What is the general formation of A plus B whole square? A square plus B square plus 2AB plus A square plus B square minus 2AB plus 2AB minus 2AB cancel. Finally, you get 2 into A square plus B square. Now come to this problem. A plus B, if you look like sin theta plus cos theta, A plus B, A minus B, here whole square, same model. That means answer will be 2 into sin square theta plus cos square theta. Now, sin square theta plus cos square theta, already before I explained trigonometric identities, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Same manner, sin square theta plus cos square theta value 1. So 2 into 1, that answer will be 2. Now come to the third problem. Secant square theta minus 1 into cosecant square theta minus 1. Secant square theta minus 1. Come to the trigonometric identities second property. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Now come 1 take to left hand side, minus tan square theta transfer into the right hand side. So in the place of secant square theta minus 1, you write tan square theta into, similarly, cosecant square theta minus 1. Come to the third property. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Cosecant square theta minus 1 equal to cot square theta. That equal to tan square theta into cot square theta is reciprocal of the tan. 1 by tan square theta. Tan square theta get cancelled. Answer will be 1. This is the first Roman, first 3 problems. Simultaneously, now second problem, show that cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Here this problem also, so many methods are there. Very easiest method, before already I told, you take LCM whole square equal to cosecant theta, change into the sine terms. How to write? 1 by sin theta minus cot theta, cos theta by sin theta whole square, that equal to, take LCM. Numerator if you write 1 minus cos theta whole square, that equal to, separately square you apply, whole square by sin square theta, that equal to, split into the two parts, 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta by sin square theta. How to write? 1 minus cos square theta, that equal to 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta by, if you look like, a square minus b square, that meaning 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta get cancelled. Final answer 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. This is the second problem. Now come to the third problem. Show that root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a equal to secant a plus tan a. Now anytime root given, first you apply into the rationalization, that meaning root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a equal to, already 9th standard you learned rationalization, 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a into 1 minus sin a by 1 plus sin a by 1 plus sin a. Now root of, both are having the same terms, 1 plus sin a whole square by a plus b into a minus b, 1 minus sin square a, that equal to root of 1 plus sin a whole square by 1 minus sin square a, nothing but a cos square a, that equal to, this square with this square, this is under the root. Finally how to write there means 1 plus sin a by cos a, that equal to, split into the two parts, 1 by cos a plus sin a by cos a, that equal to 1 by cos A. How to write? Secant A plus sin A by cos A tan A. This is the RHS already proved. Secant A plus tan A. This is the third problem. Now, fourth problem, show that 1 minus tan square A by cot square A minus 1 equal to tan square A. Here, everybody knows tan square A equal to 1 by cot square A. Simultaneously, cot square A equal to how to write? 1 by tan square A. That meaning 1 minus tan square A, as you write cot square A. How to write? 1 by tan square A, like that, this model. Cot square A equal to 1 by tan square A minus 1 equal to 1 minus tan square A whole divided by this part. You take LCM. Tan square A 1. Tan square A, take 1 1 jar 1 minus tan square A. Now 1 minus tan square A, this is whole divided by into reciprocal, you write tan square A by 1 minus tan square A. Both get cancelled. Final answer will be tan square A. So 1 minus tan square A by cot square A minus 1 equal to tan square A. This is the fourth problem. Fifth problem,